Hey guys, welcome back to Vegas. This is Dennis Wolf and you're watching musculardevelopment.com. Yeah, this is my pre-workout meal, my second meal. I always need a couple meals before I start my workout, and it's pretty much the same every day. Rice, chicken, some vegetables. I'm not a big fan of fat stuff. I have some sauce, because right now in the pre-contest diet, that's what I want to say. It's just a little bit sugar in it, so we're gonna hit the gym in about an hour after I'm finished and do hamstrings today. So a few days ago we trained quads and they're still sore, so it means we did a great job, and gonna do the same today with hamstrings, and that's what I need to improve. And I'm trying to relax after the workout today. It's hot again in Vegas. The whole week is gonna be 110 degrees or something. So try to spend more time inside the building. Cool down before I came back and just relax after the workouts. Yeah, it's the special models 392 Hemi. They built 1,100 pieces of this. You can see right here the stamp right here. It's number 569. So it's not a typical SRT8. With 6.1 liters, it's 6.4 with 50 horsepower more than the old one. So start for you. Cold now, so it sounds better if it's warm. Drive a couple miles, so burn it out. It's a fun wheel. That's why I love SRT8. You can play with gas. It's unbelievable. The day after I bought the car, I think Floyd Mayweather came to the store and won the same car. It was pretty cool. I mean, in Vegas is so small. So many people here, and if you drive this kind of car, everybody knows what you do. So that's what I said. Sometimes texting me people, "Oh, I saw you." Yeah, cool. I get to the dealership and I told him what I want. He said, "Yeah, we got it." With what color? I said, "Yeah, white with blue stripes," and they bring it to me. So that was it. Because it just came on market. That's why I was interested in a muscle car. First I was thinking about building a Super Snake Mustang from Shelby here in Vegas, but I don't want to pay over 100 grand for American muscle car. So, and then I said, okay, take a look at this one. And I fell in love. Yeah, I remember in Germany I was going to the gym with another SRT8. It was a Chrysler. Unbelievable. It was like always 250, 260 kilometers an hour. It was like 160 miles an hour or so all the time, all the way to the gym. It's fun, but dangerous. Bodybuilding. I was a big fan, of course, of Arnold because of the movies. Sylvester Stallone, all the guys who were actors at the time, they inspired me a lot. And then, you know, normally the guys, you know, at my age at the time, like 16, 15, had all the models or half-naked girls at the wall in their room. But I'm not. I had a Flex Wheeler, Dorian Yates, Kevin Laroni, all these guys posters hanging in my room, and so it's pretty weird for some people, I think. But it's how it is, you know. Bodybuilding is a lifestyle, and you cannot just do it because you want to make money with this. It's not a good sport to make money. If you want to make money, do something else. Go work. Go to, I don't know, to New York or something, you know, or be a lawyer. The bodybuilding is a lifestyle, and this is good stuff, man. I love this sport, and I always want to be a professional athlete. That's why I did a lot of sports before bodybuilding, and so you can see that's what I do now. So I was a big fan of basketball. I always want to be an NBA superstar like the guys today. I played basketball a long time, but you see, nobody would think that I'll be a professional bodybuilder. So I'm happy.